Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Okay, so this week for our math, we're going to be talking about doubles and doubles plus one. So this is another strategy that can help you when you're adding. If you can notice these patterns, it'll help you recognize the pattern so that when you're adding, you can do it more quickly and you don't have to use counting or number lines to help you add. So the strategy we're using this week is doubles and doubles plus one. So doubles are when you have two numbers that are the same and we're adding them. So the first one is 4 and 4. So when we add 4 plus 4, we know that the answer is 8. So on the first one, you can write 8. Now with a doubles plus one, what you're going to see is that you're going to see the neighbors on the number line. So instead of 4 plus 4, which is the same two numbers, you're going to have a neighbor on the number line, which are 4 and 5. So they're right next to each other, just kind of like your neighbor next door. So when you see that, you just have to add one more to the answer, and the answer is 9, because 9 is one more than 8. So let's look at the second problem. We have 5 plus 5, so that's the doubles of 5. And so we know that 5 plus 5 is 10. So when we look at the next problem, we see that it's 5 plus 6. We're seeing two neighbors on the number line. So 5 and 6 are right next to each other. So when I do doubles plus 1, then I know that instead of 10, it's going to be one more. So one more is going to be what? It's 11. So let's look at the next one. We have 3 plus 3. So 3 and 3 are doubles because it's the same number. So 3 plus 3 is 6. And then on the next equation, I have 3 plus 4, which are neighbors on the number line. So if 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 4 will be what? 7. Very good. Okay, let's take a look at the middle row. Our first double in the middle row is 6 plus 6. So if you don't know 6 plus 6, you can count all of the dots on the butterfly wings, or we could think of our song, but we know that the answer to 6 plus 6 is always 12. So then when we see the neighbors of 6 and 7, we know that that answer will be one more than 12, which is what? 13. Good. Our next one should be pretty easy. It's 1 plus 1 is 2. So then 1 more than 2 is 3. Okay, our next double is 8. This is one of our harder ones that we have to remember because the answer is a little bit harder. So 8 plus 8, what is that one, boys and girls? 16. So 1 more than 16, the doubles plus 1 is 17. Okay, we have 2 more. The next one is 7 plus 7. We know that 7 plus 7 is 14. So we're going to write 14 here. So 1 more than 14 is going to be what? 15. Very good. Okay, and our last double is a pretty easy one. It's 2 plus 2. And we know 2 plus 2 equals what? 4. And one more. So if we go to the neighbors on the number line, 2 plus 3 is 5. Good. Okay, on the back, we have some addition fact practice. And you have a number line at the top of your paper to help you. So I'm going to help you with the first row, and then I want you to do the other 2 rows on your own. So the first add-ins are 3 and 5. The bigger number is 5, so let's circle it and find it on our number line. Then we're going to hop up 3 spaces. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. The next problem is 4 plus 2. So which number is bigger? It's 4. So I put my pencil on 4, and I hop 2 spots. What did you land on? 6. Good. Okay, our next problem, the add-ins are 3 and 6. So which number is bigger? 6. So I put my pencil on 6, and I'm going to hop 3 spaces. What did you land on? 9. Very good. We might not need our number line for the next one because it's just plus 1. So 7 plus 1 more is going to equal what? Going to equal 8. And our last one, those are neighbors on the number line. 4 and 3 are neighbors, so we know that this is a doubles plus 1. So we can do doubles plus 1 strategy, or we can do our number line strategy. So 3 plus 3 is 6, so 1 more is 7. All right, so boys and girls, I want you to do the next 2 rows all on your own, and then when you're finished, turn it into your teacher. Don't turn it in until it's finished, though. Make sure you're getting practice on your own.